Begin with the event. Each moment is a new beginning. Take this grand moment as a grand new beginning towards success. After all, beginning is what makes the conditions perfect. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I, Mahima.
And I, Sanskriti, welcome you all on the behalf of Department of Mathematics, Shivaji College, to the orientation program for the first year students. We would like to congratulate and greet the new faces who have made it here after all those high cutoffs.
We hope you all are doing great. Through this virtual gathering, we would like to give you a peek into the enriching experience that awaits you. We take this day as a great opportunity to familiarize you with the highly qualified and dedicated faculty members, the challenging competitions, and equally memorable fest of our department.
Shivaji College is a premier institution in West Delhi, accredited with Grade A by NAAC, and has completed 60 marvelous years of nurturing young minds with invaluable knowledge and wisdom. College organized several programs as a part of the Diamond Jubilee celebration, including inaugural talk, webinar, and 60th annual day event graced by the Honorable Vice President of India.
What can be a better beginning to this auspicious event than a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom and learning, with a traditional lamp lighting ceremony?
Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and arts, represents the free form of wisdom and consciousness. She has four hands representing four aspects of human personality in learning: mind, intellect, alertness, and ego. Let's begin with the event by seeking the blessings of Ma Saraswati.
या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीम् वीणापुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदाम् जाड्यान्धकारापहाम् हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीम् पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीम् बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्
This was indeed a melodious prayer. It charmed all of us with a sudden rush of positivity.
The never ending chance to improve not only yourself but also attract opportunities brings forth your wisdom from within. The Department of Mathematics has not only excelled in academics but has also played a crucial role in students' overall development through the top of their field faculty members, research projects, mentor-mentee meetings, add-on courses, and many more.
Tejarat, the Society of Department of Mathematics, has always encouraged its students to take part in various activities of the department. through Infinity, the annual department fest, and various webinars, seminars, and workshops organized throughout the year by the Department of Mathematics.
As a part of the Diamond Jubilee celebration, Tesseract organized various academic talks, career-oriented webinars, alumni meet, and a national webinar.
Department also provides students the opportunity to represent it via the Student Council, wherein they can develop the skills of leadership quality, team management, communication skills, and on and on. Through the various inter and intra-college events, students have the opportunity to socialize with students across the university, eventually helping them in their growth and building networks.
The department has also provided the students with a platform where they can interact with the alumni for career-related guidance, as the alumni of our department have very well flourished themselves in prestigious institutes at national as well as international level, and many of them are currently working as data scientists, professors, researchers, and many other well-recognized posts. Overall, the department has helped its students flourish and gain success across fields in every possible manner. To applaud the results of meritorious girl students, we have Mrs. Savita Mishra Memorial Award given to the girl students of BSc Honours Mathematics who gets highest marks till her 6th semester in undergraduate degree course. The award comprises of a fellowship of 5,100 rupees under certificate of appreciation.
Our college truly recognizes the potential and hard work of each and every student in academics, extracurricular, and co-curricular activities. Thereby, to honor them, the students started with the Student of the Year Award from the session 2016 to 2017 in the category of Sciences, Humanities, and BBE, Commerce, Mathematics, or Economics. Since then, every year a student is chosen to honor him/her at the end of the session with the award of Student of the Year from each category for his/her outstanding performance throughout his college journey.
It is only through all the hard work and guidance of our excellent faculty members as well as the dedication of students that three scholars from the Department of Mathematics have received the prestigious Student of the Year award. So, keeping in mind the tenacious efforts of these students, we hereby acknowledge them. Ms. Priya Goya in the batch of 2017-18, Ms. Parul in the batch of 2018-19, and Ms. Nisha in the batch of 2020-21 for their amazing performance in the course of BSc Honours Mathematics.
Our future and our present are both the outcome of all the hard work and dedication of the past. Having said that, how can we forget our teachers who have shaped us into what we are today? No matter where we go, what we become, our journey will always be incomplete without them.
I would take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our guides, our teachers, for everything that they have been doing for years. Let's introduce you to the teachers of our department. Professor Shiv Kumar Sahadev, officiating principal, Shivaji College.
Dr. Babita Gupta, Associate Professor.
Dr. Aparna Jain, Associate Professor.
Professor Mridula Buduraja, Professor.
Dr. Surbi Madan, Associate Professor.
Mr. Ashish Kumar Jharwal, Assistant Professor.
Dr. Kumari Priyanka, Associate Professor.
Dr. Shilpi Verma, Assistant Professor.
Mr. Jitendra Singh, Assistant Professor.
Dr. Vandana, Assistant Professor.
Mr. Manish Kumar Meena, Assistant Professor.
Dr. Neetu Rani, Assistant Professor.
Mr. Uttam Kumar Sinha, Assistant Professor.
Dr. Jitendra Agrawal, TIC of Department of Mathematics, Assistant Professor.
Ms. Deepti, Assistant Professor.
Mr. Ankush Kumar, Assistant Professor.
Mr. Satish Kumar, Assistant Professor.
Mr. Mukesh Kumar, Assistant Professor.
Tesh Kumar, Assistant Professor.
Ms. Soni, Assistant Professor.
Dr. Abdullah, Assistant Professor.
Ms. Krishna Meena, Assistant Professor. The journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. As you are ready to start an all-new journey of your life, who better to guide you than our Honorable Principal, Sir, Professor Shiv Kumar Sahdev. We thank you, sir, and all the respected faculty members and TIC of Department of Mathematics for giving us a platform to welcome our juniors. May I now request you, sir, to address this virtual gathering.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible, sir. You are audible, sir.
First of all, I would like to welcome all our freshers, and I would like to tell you that you have opted a very good course and you have chosen a very good college. And I, on behalf of my department, welcome you all. And as I told you in the morning also, it's a shift from college to school to college. And the atmosphere in school and college both are very different. Here you will have all sort of freedom. You will take all your decisions. And it is my request to you that utilize all these 3 years in a very wise manner. Devote your time to study and do as many things you can do as add-ons. Opt for add-on courses. College has some value-added courses also. We have e-learning cell. Choose at least 1, 2 courses there also. And we have many online courses also. MOOCs, go for them also. Join at least 1, 2 societies, because after your studies, these things play very important role when you go for your job. So also during your first year and second year, go for one internship also. This is very important. So our basic aim is that when you pass out from our college, you must be in a position, either you should go for higher study or you should get some employment at some good company. So we are all here. If you have any of your academic problem in any subject, in any paper, you can talk to your concerned teacher. You can also talk to your TIC. You can talk to me. We have administrative staff in our college. You can write a mail to me or your TIC, and please utilize these 3 years. And these 3 years are going to be, the directional changing factor in your career. So utilize these, and we all are here for your help. And my best wishes for your good stay in the college. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom and encouragement. It's really contenting to hear such inspiring words of yours. Moving on, I would like to invite Dr. Jitendra Agarwal, the TIC of Department of Mathematics. Sir has always encouraged creativity and always supports the department in all its ventures. Now, I would like to invite respected sir to take over the mic and say a few words.
Yes, thank you, Sanskriti. Very warm welcome to all the first year students in the Department of Mathematics, Shivaji College. I would like to inform you that our department is one of the best departments in the university. Comprises of highly dedicated and qualified faculty members in diverse areas of mathematics. Apart from putting in constant efforts with the students, we also organize variety of seminars, workshops, conferences for the overall development of the students. Our department also has a computer lab with around 50 computers with high advanced softwares like Mathematica, which are part of your curriculum also. And I would like to inform you a brief about the curriculum of mathematics honors. So our maths honors curriculum consists of wide range of subjects in pure and applied mathematics, such as calculus, real analysis, algebra, number theory, coding theory, cryptography, mathematical finance, biomathematics, and variety of papers. So all of you will get very good exposure of mathematics in diverse areas, right? So yeah, coming to your classes, as per the directions of University of Delhi, classes of all the first year students will be conducted in online mode from November 22 on the Microsoft Teams. So college has given us usernames and passwords of Microsoft Teams. I will mail you all those passwords. So I request all of you to download Microsoft Teams in your laptop or phone. So you can join your classes through those passwords, right? And we are also creating a WhatsApp group for all the first year students so that any information regarding classes and timetable can be shared with all the students. And there will be two sections of maths honors, section A and section B. So section A will comprise of students whose first name start with the alphabet A to N, right? Like you, some student has name say Akriti, and someone has say Nitesh. So the students whose first name start with letter A up to N, they will go to section A, and the students whose names start with the alphabet P onwards, they will go to section B, right? There is a tab of timetable on the website of the college through which one can see the timetable of particular class and section. We will also be sending you your timetable on WhatsApp or through emails, but anyone can access timetable on the website of the college also, right? And your structure of the papers in the first year will comprise of two main papers of mathematics. One is algebra and other one is calculus. One paper of environmental sciences and one generic paper. So like we offer generic papers in physics, chemistry, economics, computer science. So student has to choose one of the papers. So orientation regarding these papers will also be done by the college. And there is one very important aspect of every semester, that is internal assessment. So there is a provision of 25 marks in every paper of your curriculum. So that breakup goes like this. So 25 marks are like divided to 5 marks for attendance, 10 marks for assignments, and 10 marks for test, right? And attendance is compulsory since nowadays online classes are going on, and so 67% attendance is mandatory for all the students to appear for the examinations, right? And we hope that in the new year, college will go offline. So hope the things get better in the coming months. So moreover, attendance of all the classes is also uploaded on the website of the college every month by the teachers. So parents as well as students can see the attendance on the portal on the website of the college. And at the end of the semester, the marks of assignment and test are also uploaded on the website. So all of you can go through those also at the end of your semester. And teachers are very cooperative, and you can contact me and any teacher at any time for any kind of help, any kind of query that you people are facing. So yeah, so that's all from my side. Yeah, so best wishes to all the students.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of encouragement.
Okay.
We are grateful to have such amazing teachers guiding us. Being a part of this college is of immense pleasure. We truly recognize the gracious presence of our teachers in this event and hereby invite them to share the mic. On that note, I'm honored to invite Babita ma'am to say a few words of wisdom.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
A very warm welcome to all the freshers, first year students. You have to join this college in this course of mathematics honors. I would say that the classes will be conducted online in the online mode. Presently I am not taking any classes of the first year, any paper of the first year. So, but later on in the future, I will be taking papers of third semester or maybe fourth semester. So you will be seeing me there then more often. And as for the classes, I would like to say that please don't take your classes lightly. Although they are in the online mode, but please attend all your classes very seriously. don't think that nobody is watching you and we can just sit relaxed and we will see what happens in the end. Please don't have that attitude. Please be serious right from the beginning. Be self-disciplined. That will go a long way. It will be very helpful in the end. So please attend all the classes, get all your doubts solved side by side, do all the questions, and be very regular. And I wish that all these 3 years be the most wonderful years of your life. And when you come out of the college, you become useful to the society and to your family. And above all, I would say that you become a confident and self-respecting person who can, face the ups and downs of the life, because the outside world is not all rosy and green. So I wish you all the very best, and that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of encouragement.
All the teachers of a department are truly brilliant, one of them being Aparna ma'am. So, I would like to have the honor of inviting Aparna ma'am to share her thoughts on this fortunate event.
Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. I think I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I welcome all first year students to Shivaji College and to Department of Mathematics. You have chosen the best subject, and I think all of you are very much interested in mathematics. That is why you've chosen mathematics. So, as Babita ma'am said, that you should take the things seriously right from the beginning, because students who take admission in mathematics, they think that it is just an extension of calculus of 12th class, differentiation, integration, and all those things will continue. But when they spend 1 month, they see that those things are nowhere there, and they get, they lose it, don't lose interest in the subject. That is the thing. Keep on doing simultaneously whatever is taught in the class. Keep the things going in your mind. Keep on revising, take on the notes. Although things are going on in online mode, but still you should be taking the things quite seriously, because you have chosen a very interesting and side by side a difficult subject. So you have to be very serious right from the beginning. Don't lose interest after a few months, and stay connected with your teachers. You can ask any doubts, but you should have doubt for asking. So please keep on studying simultaneously as the classes go on. Take the tests, assignments very seriously, and do some extracurricular activities also, and enjoy your life in Shivaji College. I hope things get offline very soon. Maybe within 1 or 2 months, we are able to see you face to face, and you will be able to enjoy the college life as it was earlier. All the best to everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of encouragement.
Now, I would like to request Kumari Priyanka ma'am to share her thoughts with the first year students.
Very good afternoon to everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. So a very warm welcome to all newly admitted students to our department and to the college. So I am happy that you all have chosen this subject, and you have taken interest in mathematics and chosen it as a career. Only one thing I will just tell you, that do justice with the subject, because this subject is not as like you can think that it is another subject like political science or any, means all subjects are equally important, but this subject requires extra effort and your devotion. So that's why I'm telling, do justice with the subject, because you have chosen very nice subject, but it requires your continuous effort. So I am very hopeful that you all will do this. And I will be taking your calculus paper, both theory as well as practicals to section A students. So we will having classes on Microsoft Teams from Monday as per your timetable. So see you there, and all the very best to all the newly admitted students. If you are facing any difficulty, any problem, then you are always welcome to contact us. So you will be getting some mentors also. Soon it will be intimated to you. So you will be very close to your mentors for your doubts, for your any kind of problem that you are facing in the college. So I hope you will be enjoying, and we want to see you doing good with the subject, taking interest in the subject, and doing continuous effort. All the very best to everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words.
Next, I would like to invite Surbhi ma'am to speak a few words of motivation.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
A very good afternoon to the new students of our department. I think how many students are there this year? I think around 60 of them have joined, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because some of us are
60, around 60.
okay. So students, all the teachers have already told you that you've taken a good but tough course, so you need to work hard. And as principal sir said, that you should also take part in other activities. But if you do so, which you should, तो आपको एक्स्ट्रा मेहनत करनी है, क्योंकि जो भी बच्चा बाकी कुछ और काम भी करता है पढ़ने के अलावा, तो उस बच्चे को पता है कि उसको और बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. तो दिल से मेहनत करो. स्कूल में भी मम्मी पापा यही कहते रहे कि भाई पढ़ाई करो, फिर एक बार कॉलेज मिल जाएगा, फिर आराम से ऐश करना. वो नहीं है. अगर आपने मैथ्स ले लिया है तो पढ़ना तो अभी भी पड़ेगा. अब हम लोग तुम्हारे टीचर्स तुमको याद दिलाते रहेंगे, पढ़ो पढ़ो पढ़ो. तो पढ़ाई भी करो और खूब पार्टिसिपेट करो एक्टिविटीज में. दैट विल actually improve your levels of study also. So good luck for your journey. I will be meeting you, I think, in second year or maybe second semester. Let's see. So good luck, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am, for guiding us with your gracious word.
Now, I would like to request Shilpi ma'am to grace the event with her kind words. Shilpi ma'am is busy with some department work. Now, oh, she is here only.
I think Shilpi ma'am is on mute. So we will proceed currently.
Neetu ma'am, please say a few words to encourage the students.
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I also welcome you all, first year students, in the Department of Mathematics of Shivaji College. Now, all of you have become the lifelong members of Shivaji family. And I want to just say that you have got admission in very good course in topmost university and a wonderful college. So work hard, be disciplined, regular and attentive in your classes, and perform your best at every level of your academic life. All the very best.
Thank you, ma'am, for your gracious words.
Now, I would like to request Vandana ma'am to come and grace the event with her kind words.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome first year student to the Department of Mathematics, Shivaji College. As told by all the teachers, this is a very tough course, but you people have to enjoy your life also. You people have to enjoy your college life. And this is one of the most wonderful course of the Delhi University. All the best for your journey. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words.
Now, I would like to invite Mukesh, sir.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So I welcome you on the behalf of Department of Mathematics, and so you are in best college, I can say, and enjoy your college life, and please take seriously your subject is really very hard. It is not like put the formula and solve it. So it's like you have to understand the theory behind the formula, how it come, and you I think you can do best if you attend the class regularly. If you miss the class, means most important topic has done on that day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wise words.
Now, I would like to request Ashish sir to share his thoughts.
Dear students, welcome you all. You have opted a very good course and ये जो फर्स्ट ईयर है इसमें आप अपनी लर्निंग कैपेसिटी को बहुत ज़्यादा रखना, इसमें आप एवरी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ भी देखेंगे, उन सब में पार्टिसिपेट करो। और जैसे ये कोर्स लगता है कि हमें बहुत टफ है, हम मान सकते हैं कि थोड़ा टफ है, लेकिन मुझे विश्वास है कि आप लोग इसे इजीली एंजॉयफुली वे में कर पाओगे और आप आगे अपने कैरियर के इतने सारे ऑप्शंस आपके सामने रहेंगे, आप इजीली बहुत हाइट्स पे जाओगे। आपके मन में जो भी क्वेरीज हैं तो इनको स्टूडेंट्स को महिमा और संस्कृति इनको भी चांस देना लास्ट में कि इनके मन में किसी भी स्टूडेंट्स के अंदर कोई क्वेरी पूछने की हो तो वो पूछे। और आप लोग कभी भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो या अपने से रिलेटेड कोई भी चीज़ें शेयर करना चाहते हो, कभी भी किसी भी टीचर से थ्रू आउट द ईयर, थ्रू आउट द प्रोग्राम, ऑल 3 इयर्स में कभी भी किसी भी टीचर्स के पास जाके आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को शेयर कर सकते हो। और शिवाजी कॉलेज बहुत अच्छा कॉलेज है। अब आपके मन में जो अनस्टेबिलिटी का था कि आपके एडमिशन से पहले की सिचुएशन जो थी कि आपका एडमिशन कहाँ होगा, किसी कॉलेज में होगा, आपने कॉलेज को चेंज करना है, वो सब बातें छोड़ दो, वो सब बातें अब पीछे रह गई हैं। अब आप एक स्टेबल मोड पे आ गए हो, अब आप सेट हो गए हो, तो अपने आप को माइंड सेट कर लो और अपना 100% इस मैथ्स ऑनर्स प्रोग्राम को और शिवाजी कॉलेज को देना है। और आपको यहाँ शिवाजी कॉलेज के लिए आपको अपने 100% देना है और शिवाजी कॉलेज से बहुत कुछ आपको अचीवमेंट में मिलेगा। आपको इसके बदले जितना आप दोगे उससे बहुत ज़्यादा मिलेगा आपको शिवाजी कॉलेज से। तो हम टीचर्स का फ़ायदा उठाओ और एंजॉय करो, कोर्स बहुत अच्छा है आपका, आप बहुत हाइट्स पे जाओगे, मुझे विश्वास। ओके, थैंक यू लर्नर्स।
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words.
Next, I would like to invite Jitendra Singh sir to speak a few words of motivation.
Sir is currently not available, so you may proceed.
Now, I would like to invite Ankush sir.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the first year student. जैसे सभी टीचर्स कह रहे हैं कि भाई ये कोर्स आपका बहुत अच्छा है, तो आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाई करनी है। और I think I will teach you the paper of the algebra section B. So रेगुलरली क्लास अटेंड करनी है और अच्छे से मेहनत से काम करना है। कंपटीशन भी है, पर कंपटीशन हमारा अच्छी तरह से होना चाहिए। हमारा कंपटीशन भी किसी के साथ हो, स्वस्थ हो। स्वस्थ का मतलब क्या है कि हम एक दूसरे को उठा के चले, एक दूसरे को साथ में लेके चले, क्योंकि ये पढ़ाई ऐसी है जिससे हम क्या करते हैं, अपने आप तो सीखते ही, हम दूसरों को भी सिखा सकते हैं, जिससे हम और चीज गेन कर लेंगे। तो मेरे तो विशेष आपके साथ, सबके साथ यही है कि आपने अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाई करनी है और क्लास रेगुलरली अटेंड करनी है। सब चीज आपके बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझ में आएगी। तो थैंक यू and all the best of all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your words of encouragement.
Now, I would like to request Nitesh sir to come forward and share the mic.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. So first, I welcome first year students to the Department of Mathematics. I just want to say that you enjoy your stay in the Shivaji College, study hard, make some good friends, and have some great moments here. And I will be teaching you guys algebra. So we will have class from Monday onwards on the Microsoft Teams only. So let's all have some great moments and have some fun. So good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next, I would like to invite Satish sir to speak a few words.
Sir, you are on mute.
Sir, you are on mute.
Okay, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, I would like to congratulate to first year students and welcome you all on behalf of Department of Mathematics. स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपको एक चीज बताना चाहता हूँ बेटा कि जो ये आपके जो ग्रेजुएशन के जो 3 इयर्स हैं, दैट इज द प्राइम टाइम ऑफ योर लाइफ. बहुत मतलब बशर्ते कि आप इनको यूज कैसे करते हो. जैसे कि प्रिंसिपल सर ने बताया कि जो ये 3 साल हैं आपके जो ग्रेजुएशन का टाइम होता है, ये आपके कैरियर को डिफाइन करते हैं, आपके जीवन को डिफाइन करते हैं, आपकी लाइफ को डिफाइन करते हैं. बशर्ते कि यही आपको सोचना है कि आपको इनको यूटिलाइज कैसे करना है. अगर इनको आप अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करोगे आप तो आप बहुत जल्दी जो भी आपने सोचा है उसको जल्दी अचीव कर लोगे, अपने गोल तक आप जल्दी पहुंचोगे. And apart from your academics, you can show your talent. You in college you have many societies like Dictum Society, Vibjor, Vayam, Bijare, Fashion Designing Society. So there are many societies. You have NSS, NCC. So academic, from apart your academic, you can show your talent. Okay, and you have a very good library in our college. Beyond your syllabus, there are many books on the subject and on the other subject. So बेटा इनको अच्छे से अब आपको सोचना है हमें कैसे यूज करना है, हमें लाइब्रेरी में जाना है या हमें घूमना है कहीं. ठीक है, तो मतलब एंजॉय भी कीजिए. मैं ये नहीं कहता कि एंजॉय मत करना अपनी लाइफ के साथ, मतलब बट आउटपुट का जरूर ध्यान रखना है. जब तक आउटपुट नहीं है कुछ नहीं है लाइफ में. आप एंजॉय भी करना है, आपको लाइफ को पढ़ाई भी करनी है, बट आउटपुट का विशेष ध्यान रखना है. क्योंकि जब तक आउटपुट नहीं मिलेगा ना तो आपके घर वाले सेटिस्फाई होंगे, ना आपके टीचर सेटिस्फाई होंगे, ना सोसाइटी वाले सेटिस्फाई होंगे इवन. ठीक है, तो आउटपुट का विशेष ध्यान रखना है. एंजॉय भी कीजिए लाइफ को, क्योंकि मैं कह रहा हूँ कि ये प्राइम टाइम होता है लाइफ का, कभी भी लौट के नहीं आएगा. आप कहीं भी पहुंच जाएं, कुछ भी कर लें, आप कितना ही पैसा खर्च कर लोगे, कुछ भी कर लोगे, ये टाइम दोबारा नहीं आने वाला है. ठीक है, तो बहुत अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करना है. फाइनली विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट एंड welcome you all again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for guiding us with your wise words.
Now, I would like to request Krishna Meena ma'am to come forward and grace the event with the kind words.
Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome all freshly students into the department as they join our college, and I wish you all the best and hope a good association with you all. Enjoy your college life. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. The Department of Mathematics has its own society, Tesseract, for organizing various events including webinars, seminars, academic talks, and competitions like paper presentation, treasure hunt, Pictionary, and many more. Tesseract focuses on catering to students' needs and skill development and conveys the same to the college, thus providing courses on various add-on courses catering to students' needs and skill development, some of them being R, web development, GeoGebra, as well as Python.
The Student Council of Tesseract has always actively participated in organizing all the events. They conduct activities particularly aimed at the holistic development of each and every participant, never compromising with the quality of the work they provide. Give and take has always been the rule for many people, but their thumb rule has always been give and forget, which is something everyone must appreciate. So are we doing? Let's see the hardworking Student Council of Tesseract. Miss Priya Beniwal, President.
Mr. Piyush Dhaya, Vice President.
Miss Shruti Gupta, Vice President.
Ms. Anushka Agrawal, Executive Member.
Miss Himanshi Shadeja, Executive Member.
Mr. Dilip Kumar, Executive Member.
Miss Lavanya Sharma, Executive Member.
Ms. Khushbu Arora, Executive Member.
Miss Bhumika Pandey, Executive Member.
Mr. Mohan Kaushik, Executive Member.
Miss Harshita Kaushik, Executive Member. Here we have our editorial heads, technical head and PR heads.
We really appreciate the efforts of every student of our student council towards our mathematics department.
On that note, we would like to invite the hardworking, dedicated president of Tesseract, Ms. Priya Beniwal, to say a few words.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. It gives me an immense pleasure to speak to you this afternoon to welcome you most cordially at the official orientation program of our mathematics department. First things first, congratulations to each and everyone out there. I regard your stately presence in this program as a facade of all the hard work and patience you possessed during these uncertain times to cross the barriers of the cutoffs and successfully making it to the esteemed college. Our department is not just about the teachers who are tenacious and dedicated enough to make our online studies as efficient as it could have been in the offline mode, but their support and the encouragement that motivates us to organize numerous webinars, events in every possible manner at online platforms. This year, we have organized various academic talks which were graced by eminent speakers from premier institutions like IIT Guwahati, ISR Mohali, Step Up Analytics, and an alumni meet which witnessed alumni from the batch 1982 to the current pass-out batch. While being fully conscious of the responsibility I hold as the current president of Tesseract, a mathematics society, I wanted you all to get acquainted with it through this very event. Tesseract is not just a society, it is a culmination of all those enthusiastic and ambitious members who keep a vision to enlighten the students in every possible domain. The program which you all just witnessed is to resonate you all with the rough functioning of our society and obviously the fun we share while working, managing events, and amazing unofficial meets. I know you all might be having doubts regarding how to be a part of this. What further teams do we have in the society? How do you manage so well? I would love to inform you that you will get proper updates regarding all these proceedings with the upcoming meetings, which we will organize soon. And last but not the least, I am elated to announce that our department is organizing an amazing webinar on 27th of November, which will be your very first webinar with our department. The webinar will revolve around HUL science and its scope as a profession, and I hope that you all will attend it because it's going to be very informative. And let's have a short video of activities of our society. Can we have the video, please?
We hope to have such memorable moments once the college reopens. And in the meantime, we now request you all to turn on your cameras so that we can capture this memorable moment.
Photograph is done.
Thank you everyone for your cooperation. With this, we come to the end of the event.
Yes,
We are
Sanskrit.
very pleased.
Yes. Yeah. Please ask them if they want to say something. First year students, if you have any query, you can ask right now. If you have any kind of query, you can ask.
Any queries you can write in the chat box. We will wait 2 minutes and then we will proceed.
Yes. And I will be sending you a mail consisting of your Microsoft passwords and user IDs along with the link of WhatsApp group, right? So all of you, please join that WhatsApp group for the further information. Any student would like to ask anything? Yes.
So students are asking about the books. So
Yes, I will also mail you the syllabus of your BSc Honors Mathematics. So as of now, since the classes will go online, so we will provide you the PDF copies of the books, right? Teachers will, of corresponding classes will provide you all the books. All the study material will be provided to you through mails, through WhatsApp, or through Teams also. So don't worry about any kind of like study material things, right? So you have two papers of mathematics in first year. One is calculus and other one is algebra. And one paper will be of generic, for which orientation will be done by the college. And fourth paper is of environmental sciences. So yeah, these are the four papers that you will go to study in your first year. Any other query, Shruti?
So one student is asking about the update about NCC. So
NCC, yeah, they will do orientation, how you can join NCC. So you have to wait for that schedule from the college, but everything will be informed to all the students through the WhatsApp group that we will make, right? So don't worry about that, yeah. That is why we are making a WhatsApp group for all the first year students. Although you will go in different sections, one is A and other one is B, but still we are making a one group of all the first year students so that we can disseminate all the information of the college regarding joining of societies, NCC, NSS, whatever you want to join, all the information will be given to you through that WhatsApp group. Yes.
And about the offline classes, the university, whenever will release a notice, you will get to know when your offline classes will begin. But for now, you have your online classes only.
Yes. Yes, as of now, we have only received orders from university for the online classes. As soon as we receive orders for offline classes from the university, so college will arrange offline classes as soon as possible. But we have to wait for the direction from the directions of the university.
I think Jitendra, they are confused about the section. Section.
Sections, yeah. I will send mail consisting of 2 sections of A and B. So don't worry about. I'm sending mail you in a while, right? So the students whose names start from A, first name start from A, like Akriti or Aman Agarwal or say Anil Agarwal, and up to N, like Nitesh, Naman. So these students will be in section A, and the students whose names starting with P, alphabet P onwards, they will be in section B. Yes. Okay. Anything else?
How can we contact to teachers for the query of books?
How can we?
Contact the teachers for the query of books.
For the PDF books, okay. So let me first make a WhatsApp group of all the students, and I will pass on the information to teachers also. So all the first year teachers will also be in that group. And then the teachers like Priyanka ma'am will teach you calculus. Ma'am will also going to form a separate WhatsApp group with all the section A students. So similarly, every teacher will form a WhatsApp group, and books can be shared through WhatsApp group also, and also through the Teams app. So there is a provision of uploading all the study material on Teams app also. So you can get the material from Teams app also and through WhatsApp also. I will also try to send an email regarding all the books. I will also try my best. Okay. Yes.
The students have got
Yes. Yeah.
And what is GE?
I'm not getting what you are saying.
The students are asking what is the GE subject?
GE subject. Yes. Yeah. Apart from mathematics paper, there is a paper you have to study from some different course. So college provides mathematics students with the options with computer science papers, physics papers, chemistry papers, and economics papers. So you have to choose your GE from among these 4 disciplines. But again, I'm saying you that the orientation regarding GE papers will also be held in the next week. So you have to wait for a little while, right? And you can also go through the prospectus. There is a separate page of mathematics department in the prospectus, which is available on the website. So you can get all the details regarding the GE papers over there also. But orientation will be done in the next week.
Yes, I think all the questions are done, and Aparna ma'am, Survi ma'am, Neetu ma'am are helping the students in the chat section itself. So I think all the queries are addressed.
Yes, and don't worry, if you have more queries, we can again arrange an online meeting specifically for queries. So don't worry about any of these things, right? So I'm sending you mail regarding this WhatsApp group and Microsoft Teams user ID and password in a while. Okay, so no need to worry about anything. You can always contact me at any time. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, Priya. So we can wind up the program. Yes.
Yes, sir. Mahima and Sanskriti have something to say. So yeah, please.
So now we have come to the end of the event. We are very pleased to be able to welcome first year via this event and hope the university life will give you much more than just a degree. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready for all the adventure that you are going to live as a member of our mathematics family. Thank you everyone for being such a good audience. For more updates about the events of our society, I hereby request all of you to kindly follow our social media handles, the link of which has been circulated in the chat box. Thank you.
Okay, so all the best to all the first year students. Yeah.
Thank you for joining in, and you can now follow our social media handles for further updates on the events we do and regarding your orientations further that will happen. We'll also post updates regarding that on our social media handles, so please follow them so that you stay updated.
Okay, students.
Thank you so much for joining in. Now you may leave the meeting. And kindly check your mails regularly so you can get the updates about our departmental activities as well. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, students.
KB ma'am, you want to say something?
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
just I wanted to say to the students that please check your spam mail also. Sometimes mails are sent by the college that goes to spam for because you will receive it for the first time. So it has been past experience that students say that we have not received the mail, but mails are being sent by the. So please do check your spams also regarding the mail. This I wanted to show, so that you should not miss anything related to the department or the college. Thank you.